Namaskar everyone. So this is my video that starts with the information on Chaucer. As I mentioned in my earlier video, I will be explaining each unit, all the writers, possible writers of English literature. Here we start with Geoffrey Chaucer. So who is Chaucer? He is known as the father of English poetry. Time period or the era, it starts from 1340 to 1400 BC. There were chiefly four chief dialects that flourished in the pre-Chaucerian period. But one dialect that became the standard English in Chaucer's time was the East Midland. This is very important. The East Midland became the standard English in Chaucer's time, and there were mostly four pre-Chaucerian chief dialects. The next important point to remember in regards with the Chaucerian age and the author comes, he is appreciated by his contemporaries, for example, Lowes, Albert, etc. If we talk about Chaucer's work, his first novel in English is Troilus and Cresside. This work, Troilus and Cresside, also bears resemblance with Boccaccio's Philostrato. Canterbury Tales is another work, and it draws its information from another work named as Decameron. The chivalric romance has been one of the most significant themes from Chaucer to Shakespearean times. So when we talk about the chivalric romance of Palamon and Arcite, this appears in one of the tales from the Canterbury Tales, and that tale is The Knight's Tale. In The Knight's Tale, the chivalric romance of Palamon and Arcite is described. Chaucer is also remarked as the earliest of the great moderns by his appreciators. This is remarked by Albert. In the Canterbury Tales, each pilgrim is supposed to tell fixed number of tales, and that number is 4. Each pilgrim is supposed to tell 4 stories or 4 tales. And these pilgrims were going to visit the tomb of Thomas Becket. Thomas Becket's tomb is situated in Canterbury. So they are all heading towards Canterbury. That is why the title is The Canterbury Tales. Chaucer uses heroic couplet for the first time in the Legend of Good Women. There are 29 pilgrims in Canterbury Tales. This number is very important. In all, 24 tales are told by the pilgrims. One of the most important lines, "Love conquers all," is the